Video I will explain how we can deploy our React application to Netlify. So Netlify is a free service where we can deploy our React or Node.js application. So let's start the video. And if you like the video and if the video is helpful for you, so please subscribe to my channel and please like this video as well. So let's start the video now. So I will try to deploy this application. This is just a simple React application. It was created using create React app. So I have logged into Netlify website using my GitHub account. So after connecting to your GitHub account to Netlify, after logging to Netlify using your GitHub account, so you have to add new site. Go here. So there are three options: import an existing project, start from a template, and deploy manually. So we will choose first option, import an existing project, because we have this project already in our GitHub. So let's click on this. So we have to connect it to Git provider. So these are the options to Git provider. So we will choose GitHub from here. So initially it will ask for some permission and all, but I already have connected this to my GitHub, so it will not ask the permissions again. But in your case, it may ask again, permissions for first time. So these all are my available repository with my GitHub account. So all are listed here. So I will choose this one. This is my React application I want to deploy. I will click on this. Okay. So this is my main branch where branch to deploy this. This is the branch. If I can show you. Okay, so this is my main branch. As you can see, I will deploy this main branch. So you have to enter the main branch name here. This is the main, and base directory you can leave it blank. And for build command, we have to add this one. Guys, this is a tricky part you can miss, and you can miss it. So please see it carefully. So you have to add build command as this one, and then publish directory as build only. So you have to fill these fields. Now click on deploy site. That's it, guys. It was this simple. Now this website will automatically get deployed. Here it is building. It will take some time. Then you will see your website deployed. So by default it will choose some random website name, but you can set up a custom domain also. Just wait, this is getting deployed. As you can see this icon, so we have to wait for 1 minute. Yes, so it is uploaded, guys. Yeah, published. This is done now. So this was so simple, right? So your site is deployed. This is our site now, and this is deployed. This is the URL of our website. So we will click on this URL. As you can see, this React app is deployed here. This is our unique URL. This was just dummy application to do some research related to React.js. Just ignore this part. But your application is hosted and deployed on this Netlify server. And if I click, if I copy this URL and try to open it in incognito mode, you will see our application is running perfectly there. So this was for this video, guys. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and like this video as well. And please press the notification bell also. I will see you in some next video. Bye bye for now. Thank you.